Ashley and I started talking about starting our own family. When it came time to buy a house, we wanted to live downtown.
This area is very competitive. Lots of young people moving in, fighting over the houses they want to fix up.
Buying a house in this neighborhood was next to impossible. We put in multiple offers on multiple different houses.
And we just kept losing them.
We didn't know what to do.
And our real estate agent calls and she's like, there's this house and you're gonna miss out if you don't put an offer in sight unseen, so just like throw an offer in. I was like, let's just do it.
We had no clue what the inside looked like. That is lunacy.
This is what people have to do.
The minute that we walked in, I knew we had made a huge mistake. This is not at all the house that we thought we were buying.
I think that's exaggerated. I love this house because it's a manageable square footage size, because of how many bedrooms and how many bathrooms it offers us near our work, near our church.
On paper, it looks fantastic. When you get in it, it looks horrific.
What drives me crazy is the complete lack of flow in this house. When you walk in the front door, you are automatically greeted with a wall. And you can't get more than 2 people in that front door without a traffic jam happening.
Aesthetically, it's a nightmare for him.
You walk into the living room, but then it's disjointed from the dining room. The dining room is separated from the kitchen by a staircase. When I pictured my first home, I pictured an open concept, not rooms that are kind of all squished together.
It is a little bit cramped. I think it's fixable and redeemable.
We host about 15 to 20 people on a weekly basis for our Bible study, and then we need to all sit in a space where we can see one another. This place doesn't allow any of that to happen.
There's a lot of square footage to work with on this main level, and if we can rearrange some things, that's a solution.
After you.
Oh,
Nice. It just got that feeling you want to be here.
but I bet you there's more that we have to deal with than that. Perfectly nice living room, love the fireplace.
A little disconnected.
It's not that disconnected. This is the living room with an archway that defines that we're now going to another room. Ooh.
Would they have bought this house if they had seen it first? I do have a problem with this kitchen.
It just isn't enough kitchen.
Finally, we're on the same page.
This is really disappointing.
I hope they put it on your list.
That's just mean. Excuse me.
I didn't see you there. It's 'cause these hallways are so narrow. If there was enough space here, that would not have happened.
I know you didn't try and hurt me deliberately.
Of course not.
Oh.
This happens so much. All right, you go first.
Oh,
Oh, linen.
what's that? Okay.
Oh, this is a bedroom.
Could I just get out of this bathroom, please? I'm guessing it's a guest room.
Okay, well, let's go find out.
Yeah. Where are the stairs?
What, are you kidding me? You can't miss them. I have a question. If you'd seen the house before you bought it, would you have made a different decision?
Absolutely.
I don't know. I think we still would have bought it.
There's no way.
All right, I'm gonna get you into the house that I think is perfect for you guys. So, I need to know the must-have list to get you out of this house.
We're gonna need something move-in ready, open concept, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, a home office, an updated kitchen, and the same neighborhood.
The same neighborhood that drove you guys nuts.
Well, it drove us nuts
All
to
right.
find it, but now that we're in it, it's gorgeous and we don't want to leave it.
There you go.
All right, I've done an evaluation on your home. The current value is $195,000. What is the budget for the new house?
$225,000.
See, that's gonna be tough in this neighborhood.
Okay.
Let me see what I can come up with to impress you, because obviously I see I'm going to need to.
Yes.
All right, look, obviously the house needs work, but I love the setting, so now we've got to figure out how to make it work so that you'll be exactly where you want to be.
We
Ready
got
to
an
move?
uphill battle.
Well, let's see. Tell me what you want first.
We need an open main floor, renovate the kitchen, improve the laundry space. We need to expand the entryway, renovate both those bathrooms, improve the storage in the master bedroom, and we need to update the nasty flooring in this entire house.
That's like everything.
Yeah.
Okay, so how much money do I have?
You have $40,000.
Oh, now come on. There's no way I can give you everything you asked me for $40,000. And you know that, don't you?
Well, then we can just jump back into the market and call it a day.
But I also don't think you need everything you're asking for. So I'm gonna take the 40,000. When I'm done, you're gonna love it.
As good as you are, I don't think you can do it.
I definitely think she can.
No, no, no. She's gonna do what she does, gonna increase the value of that house, and then you're gonna move to the fantastic house that I'm gonna show you. And when I find you that fantastic house, the only thing you're gonna say about this is list it.
So you walk in and the wall is in your face. I mean, who wants that, right? The only solution is to build out over the porch, and that would give them a nice entry, except...
We don't have any money.
So that's the end of that. living room. They would like completely open concept, but that's in the way.
So what do you want to do with this?
There's nothing you can do with this. So what I can do is open up this wall.
Yeah, that'll give you your open concept.
So it's not going to be able to go all the way because of the fireplace, but with that gone, it's going to make quite a big difference. So here we are, which is interesting because this is quite spacious as a landing,
Yes, it
right?
is.
What I need to do up here is create a bathroom that's going to work for both bedrooms of Jack and Jill. So expand this bathroom this way, completely reconfigure it, close this off, and where the tub is, that will give me my entry from both bedrooms.
Great idea.
And that's the house.
It's green lights across the board for Hilary's team to get to work. Opening every inch of house Hilary's tight budget will allow means eliminating the arch between the living and dining rooms. Elsewhere, both the guest and upstairs bathroom are torn apart, and the kitchen window is delicately removed. As the past gets stripped out at home,
We're in your neighborhood, exactly where you want it to be.
Very true.
You get to hike up those stairs to get to the front door, though.
And that's about it.
this house is 2,400 square feet of move-in ready convenience, featuring 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, including a master bath and a separate laundry room. Vastly improving their ability to entertain are a huge open concept main floor and a bonus room, all backing onto a good-sized yard just blocks from their current house.
Wow.
How different is this from walking into your house?
Yeah,
It's gonna be plenty of space for all the people to come over.
but we don't know what the rest looks like.
This is your master bedroom,
Look at this.
This is brown carpet.
but it's new brown carpet.
Could have fooled me.
But it's got a walk-in closet, check that out.
Oh, look at this.
It is bigger, yeah.
But this is really the bonus room. This is your ensuite.
Oh my gosh.
This is great.
But I don't like the popcorn ceilings.
Fair enough, but wait till you've seen this whole house. Bonus space. Could be an
Anything.
office space.
Could be another room that has brown carpet in it.
Here you have the main space.
Look at that. I really like that kitchen.
I know you do.
That's awesome.
This is night and day compared to your current setup.
So far, we have everything we want.
This house is listed at $265,000.
It's so far outside of our budget.
You're gonna have to be a little more flexible then. So here we are, within the 5-mile radius of your house that you allowed me, in an effort to give you a house that you can afford in your neighborhood.
Okay.
I'm liking the size of the yard already.
More
It beats
spacious.
ours for sure.
I'm liking the beginning of this.
Let's go
yeah.
see the house.
At 2,100 square feet, this house is slightly larger than theirs and features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, including a master bath. For entertaining, this house not only boasts an open concept kitchen and family room combination, but also separate living and dining rooms, all on a large lot at the absolute edge of their neighborhood.
This is not open concept.
What?
David.
Did you expect it to be like
David,
open?
come on. We walked straight into a wall, just like we did.
Not like this.
All right. Why would we complain about that and then buy a house without an open concept? That doesn't make any sense.
Because this comes with this. Your eat-in kitchen, family room combination.
It is definitely open.
But I'm wondering what these countertops are made of exactly.
And what food is still left on it from 1998?
This house needs some work. You want to see something that's in your neighborhood that you can afford? You're looking at it.
Which is why we chose our house.
Yes, but you get something here that we all know you're not going to get from Hilary.
If we want something more move-in ready, what are we gonna have to do?
Spend more money
Or
or move further out.
I think there's only one option.
a little further out.
Perfect.
It's full steam ahead as tiling begins in the new bathrooms and vanities arrive. Meanwhile, the stairs get a modern makeover while the kitchen renovation inches ever forward.
This is your neighborhood.
It's way too much.
David is starting to lose coal a little bit.
You're losing your edge. You need some coffee?
No, I don't drink coffee.
Hilary and I discussed putting a little bit more money in the budget. I do not think Cole is in a place to hear that right now, so I'm just gonna wait it out and talk to him about the money when it's the right time.
This house is an undeniable upgrade from their own.
I have fully used up the new parameters you set for location.
It's a little, I feel like cookie cutter.
Yeah.
Not all cookie cutters are created equal.
While it is certainly outside their neighborhood, at 2,900 square feet of move-in ready house, the advantages of all that extra space are hard to argue and include 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, including a master bath and a second-floor laundry room. Vastly improving their ability to entertain are an open concept kitchen and family room combination and a bonus room, all backing onto a large party-ready backyard.
Holy cow.
Wow.
Completely different
Yeah.
than yours.
Open space, hardwood floors.
Everything's finished.
I'm like, yeah, I'm not seeing any work I have to do.
Everything's
It's pretty nice so far.
Now, office space,
Okay.
and that's all it would be.
It's like a little writer's note.
Just think about what Hilary's doing to your main floor.
Apparently nothing.
Is she doing something to your kitchen at least?
A little bit.
You could fit 15 people around this island.
There are smaller islands in the Pacific.
And living room's
And-
right there, completely open.
Like nothing you have in your house.
This is incredible.
The backyard.
Wow, huge.
This house is listed at $242. Yes, above budget, but you can easily negotiate this down.
How are you?
Excited?
Yeah, a mixed bag of emotion.
That's going to be gone in a second. Let's go. Come on in.
Oh my gosh.
You've got this great sense of space, great sense of connection. This is now a house to entertain in.
You're like house wizards.
Come all the way in, because I want you to get the full effect.
Look at our
Oh
stairs.
my gosh, look at the stairs.
You still get the sense of open concept between the kitchen and the dining area because it all just connects. And
This is awesome.
your kitchen.
Oh my gosh.
It looks so much bigger than it did.
The floors make a huge difference to the whole place.
Absolutely.
These are unbelievable.
So you now have, I think, an amazing entertainment area.
So beautiful.
Your new bathroom.
This is awesome. It adds so much space to this bathroom. I don't feel closed in.
Unbelievable.
Great main floor.
Okay, so now we're going to go and see if we've got a great second floor.
I feel like it's 100% us.
In that window.
The window.
Oh, what a difference that makes.
So you've got a fantastic master/hangout room, and then you have this.
This is
Wow.
It is a wonderful closet, and it's sort of found space, and it's all been incorporated into what we're about to look at through that door.
nice. This is
Unreal.
unbelievable.
I think now this house works for the two of you.
That is now the current value of your home with the renovation that has been done.
Oh my gosh.
That's a great number.
The pre-renovation value of their home was $195,000. With an increased renovation budget of $46,000, the new estimated value of their home is $255,000. That increases the value of their house by $60,000.
That makes that house affordable.
So true.
Now it's time for you guys to decide which house you think makes the most sense for your future. All
Sounds good.
So, decision made?
Decision made.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We've decided to. Love it.
Don't you need more space? Come on, you do.
We're probably gonna have to get creative in terms of space down the road, but as soon as I saw her face when she walked in, just felt like home.
Well, it was a pleasure working with you.
Thank you, David.
It was a
Well
pleasure.
done. Thanks for your hard work.
Thank you.
And you know what? This is where you belong. I'm so happy. I'm
Let's
so
go.
happy.